He taunted police for 30 years, but guess what finally caught him? The BTK killer. Bind, torture, kill. Dennis Rader murdered 10 people in Kansas between 1974 and 1991. Then, silence. Until 2004, when he couldn't help himself, he sent police a floppy disk. What did they find? A username linked to a church and metadata tied to Dennis Rader. He basically signed the murder confession himself. Was it ego, arrogance, or did he want to be caught? Comment below what you think. Like and subscribe to Guilty in a Minute for Part 2. You won't believe how his daughter helped confirm the truth. Remember, he named himself BTK. He wanted you to know who he was. Esa mbeme si este.